Hello friends, this is David Pasqualone and I want to show you my new ThermoPro. It is awesome. I had one of these previously, but it got cooked in the oven. Someone was using it at my home and they didn't realize it wasn't supposed to stay in the oven. Certain models you can leave the probes in, certain not so much. This unit though is fantastic. It's very inexpensive because centigrade, Fahrenheit, you turn it on. You have a light, so you can turn the backlight on or off. It has a hold feature, and it also has a handy dandy hook, so if you want to hang it on a grill or a hook in your house. It's got a magnet. It even has a little cheat sheet for how to cook the poultry or meat or pork or whatever you're trying to do. So great design. Even has the tip, if you can see that, is actually tiered in. So it makes it very accurate and very easy to use. So ThermoPro or ThermoPro, I've never known how to say the name of the company, but I love their products. And even though I'm not a master chef by any means, this helps make the food even better when we do cook it. So hope this tutorial, video, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, helps you. But if you are looking for a meat thermometer, poultry thermometer to put in your kid's lunchbox. No, I'm just kidding. They probably stab each other. But if you're looking for a thermometer for cooking, this is a great option and very inexpensive. Hope this video helped. Enjoy life, love God, and love thy neighbor. Ciao.